Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And happy days sa Pilipinas. Magandang tanghali everyone. Today is Monday, April 14. And our weather for today is 7 degrees. Later pa yung the highest later is 14. So medyo malamig pa rin like yesterday. Kahit may araw kasi cloudy. So ayan everyone. And time check is 4:10. Alas 4:10 ng umaga everyone. So may nakita akong asong malaki. Ayan everyone. And let's go to 15 minutes walk and one bus. Today is winter again. OOTD of the day. Yeah. Winter pa rin everyone. So yan lang. And see you later everyone. See you when I see you. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
Ganon, man.
Time check. 10:35. So since walang kahit red, ayun. Walang sasakyan. Gora tayo sa tawid. Ayan everyone. Ganda ng halaman. Bagong tubo. Yan. Sa spring at summer. So dito tayo daan. Magdiretso ka ng ayan, sa kanilang temple ng dito, Indian. So, dito tayo dumaan sa mainit dahil mahangin, malamig. So, magpasikat tayo ng araw at ayun. Dito ayan tayo, winter attire pa rin dahil malamig ang hangin. Talo pa ako'y nasa bundok ng Tralala. Walang katapusan ang lamig dito sa UK everyone. Kaya see you later after ng katakot-takot na lakad. Katakot-takot na lakad para makauwi ng bahay. Ganda ng bahay dito. Magaganda ang bahay dito, malalaki. Pero hindi mo alam kung ilan ang mga nasa loob. Sa katutak ang laman. So, yun lang everyone.
Okay, okay?
Yan, everyone.
Okay naman mga tol? Diba? Mas maganda yung kumakain kayo ng corned beef kaysa pinapakain yung sigaw ni Mami Tintin. O, may corned beef pa dito ha. Okay. So, huwag na lang natin sabihin sa Mami na yung...
Done voting. Your vote has been cast. Finish, no?
Malalasingan na tayo. Sino pinakapasaway dito kay Sumabeli? Ngayon na ang panahon para pagsabihin natin. Ito,
Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. 15:15. And the weather is 15. Oh, today is 15:15. Always 15:15. Pasok tayo, everyone. Holy Week na. Pero hindi uso dito ang 1 week holiday for the Holy Week. So, pasok pa rin. Medyo lesson na yung ibang papasok. Yan. Bukas, Tuesday or Wednesday. So, pasok tayo hanggang until Thursday, everyone. At holiday na dito ang Friday, Good Friday, and Easter Monday. So, yun lang everyone. See you later after 2 trains again. And ayun. Racket muna tayo. Good afternoon, everyone. Hindi ko naabutan yung train kanina. So, dito tayo sa towards North Greenwich. And hanggang Finchley lang man ako. So, kaya pwede na dito. Ayan, everyone. See you later. Thank you. Upo tayo dito sa disabled or sa priority seat. Priority seat tayo. Ayan, see you later, everyone. Up there. Oh. I am here. Hello. Because it's so busy.
No, I'm not.
You're not busy. Okay, everyone, let us wait for my rail, no?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening na maliwanag pa. So, ayan. Ayan o, pakita ko sa inyo. Mag-sunset pa lang siya, pero mataas pa yung araw. Diba? So, malapit na ako. Uwi ang time na. Malapit na ako dito sa bahay, everyone. Merong construction dito. Yung problema dun sa tapos may portalet dito. So, ayun, everyone. Dito na lang tayo. Kaya at the moment. Good evening! Kain tayo! Dinner. God bless. And I love you all, everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.